Hey guys, so I am just at the KL Bird Park, which is the largest free flight bird park in the world. So I'm really excited to check this out. We just got our little wristbands. It was 75 ringgit to go. So yeah, let's have a look and see some really cool birds. I'm so excited. I have a particular affinity for birds. I find them so interesting, and it's really cool to see ones that I wouldn't see in Canada. So yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, you can see the nets behind me now. We're going to take some photos at some point here also. Yeah, this is just so beautiful. It's really nice to be out. It is hot out, but not too bad compared to normal. But yeah, it's just like, it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. I might put some photos in this vlog as well. We will see. And we've got some peacocks here, which if you saw my Batu Caves vlog, you'll know that I discovered what a peacock sounds like, the noises that they make, which is funny. But yeah, I love peacocks. The colorful feathers are so cool. I remember I had one as a kid actually. I probably still have it somewhere. I remember thinking it was just like the coolest thing ever. Oh, and we've got some black-crowned crane here. They are so cool. Wow. Beautiful birds. Horntail. There we go. It's a horntail. Each side's just. I don't know if you can really see very well. Sorry, so she's right here. We've got a little bird. Well, big bird. I think it's a toucan, but I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, it is a toucan. What the heck? I've never seen a toucan in real life before. This is so cool. I wish I could see him better. Okay, so you definitely can't really see it because he's so high up. But there's a toucan like up here, and it's so cool. I've never seen a toucan before. This is really cool. I hope that I see more that are closer and I can get a photo. But yeah, I tried to kind of show you guys, but you can't really see because of the sun and all the trees. But he's so cool. I'm so excited. And this over here is a southern pied horntail. Hi! Oh, we're having a staring contest. Oh, I lost. Oh. I love it. Hi. Oh, they're so sweet. Hi. Oh, there's many. Hello. So these are northern red-billed hornbills. Oh, they're so curious. Yeah, these guys are cool. I like them. Wow. Okay, anyways, moving on. And we've got that one there just like hanging out upside down. Okay, this is such a fun place. I'm really enjoying it here. I love birds. So yeah, this is so much fun to see everything. We are now entering the flightless birds section. So let's see what we have over here. All right, and here we've got, with a danger sign, a cassowary, which I've seen these when I was in Australia. They are not very friendly. They look like dinosaurs though, don't they? Like, very cool. Got this golden shiny. That's very cool. Beautiful bird. There's another one that just came running out. The yellow neck bird flower? Trying to read that. Oh, no, there we go. In case you're interested in, maybe they're both golden pheasants. Unsure. Oh, this is so beautiful. These are the most rainbowy birds I've seen. Let's find out what they're called. Okay, so those ones up here that I just showed you are called sun conure. Did I tell you what's it? Yeah, sun conure. They are gorgeous birds. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful red feathers. Are you a violet Toronto? Oh, that was nice. Very cute bird. Oh, how comfy. Oh, so cute. Look at him. Hi. What are you doing? Oh, are we sun tanning? Wow, this is adorable. Aww. Okay, I'll leave you to relax. It looks like these two are having a staring contest. They are white-crested laughing thrush. They are so cute. I want to touch them. They look so fluffy. Okay, that bird that was like deciding to suntan was one of the cutest things I've ever seen. I just wanted to give it a little cuddle. It was so cute. Ah, we've got emu. Hi everyone. Hi. Very mischievous, these guys. is definitely my favorite so far. It's just so beautiful. The waterfall, and there's peacocks, and like I think there might be storks or some kind of heron maybe. I haven't read any signs yet. I don't know if there are any in this section. Maybe they're outside. And there's pelicans, but yeah, this is just a really cool spot. There's a nice breeze coming off of the water too. So yeah, really loving it. I could stay here and watch them like all day. Now we get to go to a bit that's like behind the waterfall, which also I think is going to be really cool. Alright, so I just left the like waterfall aviary section, and there's a peacock there that people just like wouldn't give space to, and it ended up chasing this little girl, unfortunately. I was doing all the warnings, I had the tail out, I was doing the little like shaking thing, but people wouldn't leave it alone. And then as I was leaving, it was sitting up on like one of the rails, like this one here behind me, and people are like petting it, and yeah, you're just not supposed to do that. So just so you know, if you come here, give the birds space, you know, respect their boundaries, and don't touch them, don't feed them. I think they have little sections where maybe you can buy a little bit of bird food, and there might be like a spot that you can, but overall you're not supposed to. So just a little reminder to be respectful of the animals when you're here. Oh my gosh, we've got ostriches now. I don't know if I've ever seen an ostrich in real life. This is so cute. So cute. Is eating. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Why are ostriches way friendlier than emus? This is what I've heard. Is this true? If you know, please comment below. Okay, wait, maybe that was an emu as well? But no, isn't this an emu? Aren't these guys emus? Emus? And the other one that was just eating is an ostrich? Yeah, that feels right. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, we're not confused anymore. These are ostrich. Aww, and we've got like the classic black and white one. One must be male, one must be female, right? Ah, so cute. Hi. Oh my gosh, so tall. Just like me. Oh, when they do ostrich feeding here. Between certain kind of feed. Oh, that's so cool. What a fun experience. And here's a little chart about humans and ostriches. There you go, you can see the whole thing. Size comparison. It's crazy. Moa, I've never heard of that. And just here, we have a cassowary, which are the mean ones. Oh, a squirrel! Oh, I missed it, I'm sorry. Oh, so cute. The squirrels here, like, they're just cute compared to the ones in Canada, which are cute too, but like, they're just cute and different here. And so if I can get one on video for you, I will, but I don't think that I will manage to do that today because I'm heading out soon, but just know the squirrels are cute. I did it! Look, just as I was saying I wasn't going to get a squirrel, we've gotten a squirrel. Oh my gosh, yay! Oh yeah, be aware of the cassowary, my friend. Alright, so I've done like half of the park, which yeah, you can tell, world's largest, I believe it. It's massive. And really, really fun, but Kieran is not really feeling very well at the moment, so I think we're going to give the other half of the park a miss. That's okay, because I got to see some really cool birds, and it was a very, very fun experience. So if you guys enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try to post every Thursday. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye!